This website I have for you today is absolutely free and very accessible anywhere you are in the world. Setting this up will take you significantly less than an hour, and after it is all set up, you will be able to collect commissions on Autopilot each day for literally something that can be set up in less than an hour. Now, I will explain everything to you in detail and guide you through the process step by step, so stay tuned for that. With everything out of the way, let's go on to the first stage of this brand new strategy. Welcome to Money Anytime, where we share money-making tips and tricks through online means. The methods and ideas that we will share are guaranteed up-to-date and surely doable at home, so you can earn money anytime. So, if that's what you are looking for, don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know what next money-generating trick we have got up our sleeves. You can also leave a comment below if you've got questions or other methods that you want to learn about. But for now, let's go back to the video. Let's visit digistore24.com, which is an affiliate marketplace that contains thousands of various affiliate offers that can be promoted. Before you register for an account, we can look at the website first. Simply navigate to Marketplace on this page, and from there you will be able to look through all of the offers that are available on the affiliate marketplace. On the left-hand side of the page, you will see a list of categories, and you will be able to select the category that best suits your needs. Anything that you can promote from this site depending on the niche that you have chosen. You may advertise anything in the niche of dating and love, or you could push something in the niche of green items and environment protection. Therefore, there are a variety of various deals available for you to market. I'm only showing you that you are free to choose any product to promote, and you should keep in mind that this particular method applies to any niche as well as any product. Once you have identified an offer that you are interested in promoting, the next step that you need to take is to get your affiliate link, which is going to be located in this area right here. So all you need to do is click on the blue button that reads Promote Now and then copy the referral link that appears. You will be entitled to a commission each time someone purchases after clicking on that link. What do you think about the website featured today? Leave a comment below and tell us about your experience. Now, let's jump back in. Now that you have decided on the product that you want to sell, the next step that you need to take is to head over to Google and conduct a search for articles that are associated with the specific niche that you have chosen. If you're in the health niche, for instance, you have the option of choosing any of these digital items to promote on your website, and you are free to do so at your discretion. There is also the option to purchase physical products. The same process can be used to market digital products as described above. But the fact that the commission rates are higher for promoting digital products is one thing that appeals to me when considering this option. A post or article that you publish on your blog or website is one of the promotional tools that you can use for these products. When we find an article or blog post that talks about anything that is connected to the offer that we want to promote, our primary goal is to repurpose the content so that it appears on your website. Next, you'll want to head over to Google and look for a web to PDF application so you can save the article you just found. We found that web2pdf.com is the best one. It is a software tool that will let you convert a web page, blog post, or article into a true PDF document. You only need to copy and paste that URL into this box, then click the Convert Now button. We will wait for the website to load, and then we will have this entire piece rewritten in a more or less formal fashion in the PDF document. Now, I am going to demonstrate to you precisely how you can lawfully utilize it to make money and how you can actually use it to get commissions on Autopilot again and again. Simply by clicking on this button over here, you will be able to start downloading a PDF document. As you can see, the PDF file will be downloaded onto your computer at this very moment. Are these sites all working for you? Tell us about your experience in the comments below. By the way, if you want to see more videos like this, give us a thumbs up and make sure to hit that subscribe button. Back to our video. The next website that we are going to use today is going to be Sejda.com. The PDF files you create or download using this website can be edited, the same as the new PDF file that we just downloaded. After selecting the option to modify a PDF document, which can be found by clicking the corresponding button, you will be able to just drag and drop this PDF, which will appear as follows. Now you're looking at a PDF version of an entire web page that we converted. Moreover, and most significantly, what you need to do is simply include a call to action in between each of these several sections, which in this instance is the text that guides them to the product that we are promoting to gain their revenue. I can adjust the size of the font and make it stand out more. And now the most important thing that you need to do is click on the links that are located right over here. And after that, you need to create a hybrid link that is located above the call to action that you have. I'm going to move it like this, and then we have to type in the URL of the product that we are promoting here. Now let's go back to Digistore one more time, copy your link, and then just paste it into this URL box. This will ensure that when someone sees the call to action, they can simply click on it and they will be taken to the product that you are marketing. The more affiliate links you include in this PDF file, the higher the likelihood that readers will click on those links, which will in turn increase the number of conversions and the amount of money you make. Therefore, rather than only including one call to action, I'll be including several of them. They won't be able to ignore your call to action, that's for sure. After you have finished making all necessary edits to the PDF file, you can go to the next step by selecting Apply Changes from this menu. After this is processed, the revised PDF document, which is going to appear in the following format, will be available for download. Still hanging in there? Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to our channel and join our community where we make money the easy way. But for now, let's move on with our video. Allow me to open it up and explain. You see, as soon as someone starts reading this, they will immediately see my initial call to action and they will almost certainly become curious. Be careful to think of a sentence that would compel people to click on the link you provide. If they click on that, you will notice that it will bring them to the page where they may purchase the product that I am promoting. Now, all I have to do is begin sending out this PDF file to as many different people as I can, as well as posting it on so many various websites as I can, so that they may learn more about it, see the document, click on it, and ultimately buy the product, which will result in financial gain for me. If you don't have any social media followers and you don't want to pay for ads on Facebook or Google, what options do you have? The answer can be found on this fantastic website right over here, slideshare.net. SlideShare is a website that is viewed by more than 70 million people every single month. SlideShare is a place where individuals gather to share PDF documents. Therefore, you can locate all of these various PDF papers, similar to this one, that has something like hundreds of thousands of views. Simply make your way over here and I'll help you log into your account. After logging into your account, you will have the ability to upload the modified PDF file that you previously worked on. Simply move files around using the mouse, confirm that you are indeed a human, and then type in the name of the document you want to save. You are free to write about anything relevant to the content of this article. And for the description, all I need to do is take the first paragraph of this introduction. Alternatively, you could simply compose a synopsis of the content that you intend to cover in this essay. There are a few tags available, so I may key in health or fitness. You are free to add more tags, but you should check to make sure that they are relevant to your content. In addition, I can choose a category, and after that, I will change the privacy setting to public. After that, I'll be able to post this document and it will be available on the SlideShare marketplace for a wide variety of individuals to check out and read. You are not going to make thousands of dollars by sharing a single PDF document like this. Therefore, you should try out as many distinct niches as possible, as many distinct items as possible, and as many distinct articles and blog posts as possible, and share as many of these as you possibly can. This entire procedure takes literally less than 10 minutes to set up everything, which means that you can publish at least 6 of these PDF documents in a single hour. You can also share at least 6 of them per hour, and they will remain on slideshare.net permanently, which means that you will receive traffic from them and possibly make passive income without actually doing the work yourself. Digistore is a great affiliate marketplace where many people have tried and gotten great results. It is surely a great avenue to make money on the side. And with all these tools we've shared with you, there's no doubt you can do this method with ease. Thank you very much for supporting us. We've enjoyed making this video for you today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you haven't yet to make sure you don't miss out on any of our future uploads. You can also check out our channel to see more of our excellent content. Thank you, and we will see you in the next video.